my name is Edlyn and today I'll be the host for the Beauty Lab series. So in this episode, we are going to talk about different types of beauty applicators that you could use for your foundation. So here we have a few different foundation applicators and different brands. We have the sponge, we have this sponge, yeah, correct. And then the face brush and the transparent puff. So we'll start off with the face brush, which is from the Zero Cream Super Definition Face Brush. Now, I've never tried a brush for my foundation, but I heard really good reviews about it. Not bad, it comes with a cover some more, so you can just put it in your bag and then it won't stain others. And this is how the brush looks like. Actually, it looks like a toothbrush, for real. You can see. It's actually really soft. Okay, so now we are going to try to apply foundation on my hand and see how the finishing goes. So now I'm going to apply foundation on my hand using this brush and see how it goes. So just gonna pump one time on the brush. Just gonna swirl it first. Oh, very soft leh. Okay, swirl. Let me see if I can drag it down. Yeah. Oh, this feels... Okay, as you can see, I actually cover up most of my pores, just that like my green veins are still here. But the good thing is it doesn't move the foundation around and it leaves nothing on the brush. So you basically get the most out of that one pump of foundation on your skin. And it feels really good on the skin. It's soft, so it doesn't make you feel like, it's harsh on the skin. And the next product that we're going to try out is the Hermo BBQ Transparent Puff. So the concept of this puff is that the normal sponges will actually sink in your foundation while this one sits on top of it, so you can get most out of the product that you pump out. So let's see. So this is how it looks like. It has a smiley face on it and it's smiling at you. And it's actually like those, that you insert in your shoes. Like, I don't know what it's called. Is it like some silicone thing? Yeah, this is actually how it feels like, and it's actually squishy and it's very soft. Same, I'm going to apply foundation on my hand and see how this goes. So as you can see that it cover up most of my freckles and even like my green vein over here. It doesn't sink in that quickly, so you probably have to blend it in a little bit more. And the good thing is it's easy to clean. Like it doesn't really it doesn't absorb any of the product, so you can just wash this off. But if you actually like this kind of finishing, then you can actually try this puff out. And the next product that we're going to try out is the this sponge. So this is the designed for flawless application of powder, liquid and cream products. So I think this is more like the old school kind of product that you can see in the market when cream foundation has just started. So I already damped this with water, so now we're going to try it out. One pump. I just applied foundation on my hand using this sponge, and I would say that the finishing is actually okay, but you can still see like there's green vein and then my freckles over here, and it spreads out pretty evenly. But the bad part of this is that it eats up quite a bit of your product, and if you still prefer to use this kind of sponge over the other kind of beauty applicators, I would say that it's better that you damp it in water first before you use it. And now we are going to use the very last product, which is the beauty blender. This is a special one because it's a collaboration of Hermo with Brina Beauty. So this is the diamond one, and they came out with another one which is the macaron sponge. And today we'll be using the diamond one. how the diamond sponge looks like and how it looks like after soaking it in water. You can see the size differences, that it will expand a lot more bigger after you dip it in water. They also come in smaller ones like this, which is maybe for you to conceal or touch on those areas that is very hard to reach. And I have the original beauty blender with me, which is also from Brina Beauty. So in comparison, they're actually both equally soft, just that this is a lot more bigger than the original typical teardrop size. So we're just gonna try it out right now. So I finished applying the foundation using this sponge, and as you can see that it gives a very airbrush finish. It doesn't soak up that much of product as well. So actually in comparison to the original beauty blender that I've been using, they pretty much give the same effect. So we have finished trying out all the different types of beauty applicators, and for me personally, I love the brush the most because it's actually very soft, and I love the effect that it gives for my skin, even though I've never tried using a brush for my foundation. And of course, it comes with a cap, so you can just close it and put inside your bag. So we have come to the end of this episode, and we hope that you guys enjoy it. Share it with us with your favorite beauty applicator if you have one, and we'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye! That's all for today, and we hope that you enjoyed this first episode. If you'd like to see more of this kind of videos, feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube, and I'll see you guys in the next one.